People can already tell you're losing discipline. Not because they want to shame you, not because they're watching to criticize. They see it in the subtle ways you shrink, the hesitations, the shortcuts, the compromises you tell yourself are temporary. You feel it too, that slow erosion, that creeping discomfort, that frustration with yourself you try to cover with busyness, excuses, or distraction. It's obvious to the world, and obvious to you. You know the routines you've skipped, you know the standards you've lowered, you know the promises you've broken to yourself that nobody else would ever notice. But they notice, and more importantly, you notice. Discipline is not a skill you lose overnight. It fades slowly. One small surrender after another, one excuse too many. One decision to comfort over consistency. And each time you give in, your future feels lighter, less real, less secure. Here's the truth you've been avoiding. Your future is watching, and it's worried. Because the man you're meant to be requires a version of you that doesn't negotiate with ease. Your potential isn't impressed by comfort. It doesn't celebrate avoidance. It doesn't care for temporary relief. It only responds to consistent action, repeated, relentless, uncompromising. If you keep drifting, people won't just notice your lost discipline, you'll feel it in yourself. The frustration will become fatigue. The hesitation will turn into regret. The quiet awareness of your underperformance will haunt you until you decide to act. Listen, discipline is your muscle. Your mind is your commander. Your actions are the battleground. Every morning you postpone the hard work, you weaken your future. Every time you choose ease over growth, you betray the man you want to become. Every time you allow distraction to lead, you abandon your mission silently. But here's the shift. It's never too late to reclaim it. The moment you act with intention, even once, even imperfectly, discipline returns. Momentum builds, confidence rises, your presence changes. People notice because the man you were hiding begins to show. The energy shifts, the tone changes, the subtle signals of commitment come alive again. Stop pretending it's impossible. Stop negotiating with excuses. Stop letting hesitation define you. Your mind follows action. Your body follows discipline. Your life follows the man who refuses to surrender to laziness, comfort, or fear. Start small. Start consistent. Start now. Every repeated act builds the fortress that your future self will inhabit. Every reclaimed habit rebuilds the man who others can see is capable, aligned, and unbreakable. And here's the truth you need to hear, because it matters most. If this hit exactly where it needed to, subscribe, like, follow, and share for more content for you to grow. Your mind becomes your ally the moment you prove to it that discipline is non-negotiable.